Sometimes life plays with us in ways we never expect. It gives us happiness one moment and challenges the very next. We meet struggles that make us feel weak, lost, or confused. Many times we ask ourselves, why is this happening to me? But life tests us not to break us, but to make us stronger. When life plays with us, we learn who we truly are. We understand the value of patience, courage, and hope. Difficult times teach us lessons that success never can. They show us the importance of real friends, supportive family, and our own inner strength. There are moments when we feel like giving up, but we must remember that every problem has a solution and every dark night is followed by a bright morning. Life may play with us, but it also gives us the power to rise again. These challenges shape our future and help us become better, wiser, and braver. So, when life becomes tough, don't think it is the end. Think of it as a new beginning. Keep faith in yourself, stay strong, and believe that better days are coming. Life plays with everyone, but only the strong players win. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.